That's tree knot right there. Jaja, vítate. Ahisco, maha, a ti.
Aku giga. Ska agito. Jaja wiwitate. Ai sabe ati. Umaha nixing. Ati. Jaja wiwitate. Tom. Hele. Kage. Aku giga. Agito. It means you no harm. He's a friend of ours. He's come to pay you a visit.
Sitanga. We got a friend here tonight. He wants to hear you, wants to see you. Means you no harm. Ask that you don't harm us. Aho. Here to the right. To your right. Yeah, over there. He's over there. I know he is. I see him. Another one to the right. Oh, another one. Beautiful. Another tree now. Woo! 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 There's a crack. What's out there? Yeah. Oh, the wood knock, huh?
Jaja idado.
Jaja idado.
Well, this here is a stick structure. Nobody really knows what it means, but we've come up with our own theory. They mark their territory, and we believe that it's kind of a sign that says, listen, this is... Did you hear?
Go. Yeah. Go on.
Aho, wait, when you talk to. Aho, kage. Aku, giga, skan, agito. We mean you no harm. Jaja, we witate, ai sabe. Ati.
Jaja, vítate. Ahisca, ti, omaha.
Jaja, we witate, Thomas Hele. Wache, kage. Ati.
Wache, kage, ati. It means you no harm.
She was back by the stick structure. Maybe she walked back up there. Stand there for a little bit, then come back this way again.
Stay here. She likes where we're at, though.
Okay.
That's one reason why I push her back.
Okay.
Ai sabe. Ati. Idado. Ayoni Yahoo. Kage. How are you, sister? We come in peace, and we mean you no harm. And we thank you for the next couple of days. We'll have more friends out here, and they mean you no harm. We know you'll probably pay us another visit. And we thank you for that.
We have a gift for you here. I'm gonna put this out for you. I want you to take this and eat this and tell us what you think, sister. Right here. We're not gonna come in your clothes and push you back. We know this is your home. It's me, Ahiska, Fat Boy. This is for you. Set it right here. Aho, Yanio. We're not here to harm you. We're here to hear you. We're not scared of you. We ask you not to be scared of us. I think we could communicate, learn from each other.
Riblahan. We appreciate you.